XCUR Therapeutics Incorporated XCUR Stock Analysis General Overview and Trend. XCUR has been in a strong downtrend over the past 3 months, starting at around 10.37 in June and declining to 4.75 by September 5. The stock experienced some volatility but has consistently made lower highs and lower lows. The decline has been relatively steady with no significant recovery attempts, suggesting persistent selling pressure. Price and volume. The price movement shows a persistent downtrend with limited relief rallies. Volume has been sporadic with some significant spikes, particularly on June 30 when volume reached 426.1584, coinciding with a price spike that quickly reversed. The most recent trading day, September 5, showed a price of 475 with volume of 31,601, which is relatively low, suggesting waning selling interest. Moving averages. EMA and SMA. All moving averages indicate a strong downtrend, with shorter-term averages below longer-term ones. The SMA 5 is at 5,192, EMA 5 at 5,1333, SMA 10 at 5,518, and EMA 10 at 5,4778. The longer-term averages like SMA 50 at 675.22 and EMA 50 at 689.48 are significantly above the current price, confirming the bearish trend. This alignment of moving averages suggests the downtrend is well established. Technical indicators. The technical indicators are uniformly bearish. The MAs are below the SMAs for most periods, indicating bearish momentum. The VWAP at 1184.57 is well above the current price, suggesting that the average price paid by traders is much higher than the current valuation, which could indicate further downside potential. This significant divergence suggests that many traders are holding positions at substantial losses. Linear regression. A linear regression analysis would show a distinct downward slope, confirming the bearish trend over the 3-month period. The stock has consistently made lower highs and lower lows, which is characteristic of a strong downtrend. The regression line would likely serve as significant resistance in any potential bounce attempts. Opening price prediction for next trading day. Given the strong downtrend and the fact that the stock closed at 4.75 on September 5, we might expect the opening price on September 6 to be around 4.7-4.8, continuing the downward trajectory in the absence of positive catalysts. Support and resistance analysis. The stock is currently below all key support levels. The nearest support might be around 4.5, with resistance at the recent high of around 5.2 from late August. Given the strong downtrend, the stock is likely to continue testing lower support levels. The intraday movement style has been characterized by persistent selling pressure throughout the day with few meaningful buying attempts. Possible high and low values based on daily ATR-14. While the ATR-14 value isn't directly provided, we can estimate it based on recent price ranges. Given the recent volatility, the stock could potentially move 0.3-0.5 in either direction during the next trading session. This would suggest a possible high around 5.2 and a possible low around 4.3. Possible scenarios. In a bearish scenario, the stock could break below 4.5 and test lower support levels around 4.0. In a more neutral scenario, the stock might consolidate between 4.5 and 5.0. A bullish reversal would require the stock to break above the 5.5 resistance level, which seems unlikely given the current trend and momentum. Conclusion. XCUR is in a strong downtrend with all technical indicators pointing to further potential downside. The stock is trading below all key moving averages, and volume patterns suggest continued selling pressure, though the recent low volume might indicate waning momentum. Traders should be cautious and look for confirmation of a trend reversal before considering long positions.